Hello everyone. We will be starting with today's topic, that is building your social media presence for the startup, and that topic will be covered in module 8 for your steps to startup. So the first thing, there are a few basic steps that you need to follow in order to build your social media presence. Basically you can approach that problem in n number of ways, but here I have outlined the most basic principles that you need to follow in order to establish your social media presence. First, you have to pick the platform that works best for you and your brand. That is, you have to select a platform, a social media platform, that is Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter, or whatever it is, LinkedIn, Reddit. So you have to select a platform that works best for you. Suppose you are a game development startup. So you will use a platform such as Discord or Twitch to advertise your game, right? You won't advertise your game in Instagram, or you would create a gaming page in Instagram, then you would increase your followers, stuff like that. Yeah. So in beginning, you have to choose one or two platforms and then you have to start there. You have to do some kind of research and pick the ones where your target audience is present. The quality of your content that you put in the platform reflects on your company. So just don't create profiles for the sake of social media presence. Be active on them. Put energy into growing and maintaining relevant platforms to avoid seeming like someone who isn't committed to their business. Most of you have seen that all of the businesses have a social media platform or a social media handle, but they don't post something often, or it's just an account for the sake of social media. Don't be like that. Never be like that. Then you have to craft your profile. You have to choose a profile cover that's consistent with your brand. Profile cover image is what I mean by profile cover. Low quality images are a no-go. You have to choose high quality images. You have to make high quality images for your brand. So you have to keep one thing in mind, is that social media counts towards search engine optimization ranking. Basically SEO, search ranking. So this is another golden opportunity to get keywords next to your business name. For example, let's say play. If you search play, then again your business name might be Kai. So play, again the Google will show Kai automatically. So it is more likely that the user will click on that link or on that keyword. So basically, good branding, crafting your profile will increase your SEO search ranking. That means it will increase the visitors traffic on your website, which is ultimately a very good thing for your website, as more and more people will come to know about it. Now you have to share with your audience. Sharing with your audience is basically, it is very easy on internet to buy fake followers. So please don't do this. It's inauthentic and it's completely unnecessary. To produce true followers, you have to produce engaging content and and followers that enjoy your market. Content is the currency of social media. So if you haven't begun a content strategy, maybe yes, you have to start right now and make some content strategies. Basically, content strategies are things where you make a series of content that yes, I'll be posting this on this particular day, or I'll be posting this after reaching a certain milestone, and stuff like that. You can also attach a blog to your website and write helpful articles related to your niche. You can hire writers to help you out with this job, or invest in guest posts from influencers and stuff like that. So basically, you have to share with your audience. You have to share what experiences you are providing to your followers, what experiences you are providing to your customers. Basically make videos on that, share videos with your audience. So it will get you what you need. Again, the thing that you guys most despise would be posting consistently, but as a startup, as a newborn startup, you have to post regularly and consistently. This might be once a week, or it might be once or more per day. How often you post depends on the nature of your business and your market, but the key is consistency. Basically once a week, twice a week, once a day, twice a day, whatever it is, it depends upon your business how much you post, but you have to post consistently. Unless you have a dedicated social media manager, uploading content on the fly will never work. Exactly. Of course, you will be a busy person when you start your own startup. So you have to spend some of that time that you are giving to a startup on scheduling content that you are going to post on the social media. And you have to keep your reach constant to your followers, because your followers expect you to post something every day or every week, and that is something that they look forward to. Now, you can offer incentives for sharing a post. And why? Because all humans have a what's in it for me attitude. So once your immediate friends and family have liked and shared your page, it is helpful to devise incentive-based offers to create a traffic boon. More traffic means more SEO search ranking. More SEO search ranking means more visitors to your website. As simple as that. Offer goods to your audience, and offer potential shout outs or potential promotion of other profiles if they post your videos and your blogs on theirs and stuff like that. Yes, you can offer discounted vouchers, free product, or entry into a competition for sharing a post which will extend your reach. You need to always check with your platform owner, as restrictions can apply to competitions, and you need to make sure your post always fit in with their guidelines. Now again, the last and the most important thing is you have to respond to all the engagements that you get. Your page should have a welcoming environment where people can hang out, express their opinions, and feel included. So always acknowledge the people who respond to your content. Tag people in comments. They are most likely to like the comment or reply. And of course, respond to even the negative replies also. So this is basically your opportunity to create a strong relationship with your market and put yourself at the forefront of their mind. As followers witness this engagement, they are more likely to pop over and follow too, further building your audience. Basically, you are engaging with your audience. Basically, people will notice that yes, this company is engaging with every potential user and every current user. So they might be a good company. They are responding to every critique, every comment positively. So yes, they have to be a good company, and that PR or that momentum will be carried forward, and people will start to visit your website, your blogs, your social media handles more often. Then again, use analytics. Most of the websites like Facebook, Instagram, and Reddit, LinkedIn, they offer free analytics, which I think you have to take advantage of. First, you can see the number of reactions, shares, or comments on a post, days of the week and times of the day that your users are most active, how many clicks a link received, demographics of your audience, age, sex, location, etc. You can use this information to build a better social media strategy. For example, let's say days of the week and times of the day that your users are most active. You can take that data and you can make your social media post available to them on that particular time of the day or that particular time of the week. So maybe you can receive more likes and more number of comments and more engaging comments, portfolios on your post. So that will be helpful for you. Now, in conclusion, I would like to say yes, building a social media presence can be a very slow process. It has to be a snowball effect. Stay in it because it is a slow process, and believe me, I have tried. But with consistency and effort, an active social media presence is well worth the benefits it will bring your business. So use the outline that I have described today as a strategy and commit to it, and then maybe you will grow your business to new heights in terms of social media presence. Thank you.